knowledge on a wide range of topics. Today, we're starting a new series on search engine optimization or SEO. In this series, we'll cover everything you need to know about SEO, including its benefits, techniques, and how to improve your website's search engine rankings. In this first video, we'll be introducing the basics of SEO. So, let's get started. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. The benefits of SEO are many, including increased visibility and brand awareness, higher website traffic and engagement, more leads and sales, and better user experience. Now, to get started with SEO, it's important to understand some key terms. These include search engine, a website or platform where users can search for information, such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Keyword, a word or phrase that describes the content of your website or page and is used by search engines to match your website with relevant search queries. Ranking, the position of your website on the SERP for a particular keyword or search query. On-page SEO, optimization techniques that are done on your website or page, such as optimizing your content, HTML, and images. Off-page SEO, optimization techniques that are done off your website or page, such as building backlinks to your website from other websites. Technical SEO, optimization techniques that are related to your website's technical performance, such as page speed, crawlability, and mobile friendliness. Now that you know the basics of SEO, it's time to start optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages. Join us tomorrow for the next video, where we'll cover how search engines work and how they rank websites on their SERPs. Thanks for watching this video on Brainwave. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. Until next time, keep expanding your mind and learning new things.